Hi children, welcome to social science class. Last class we studied about what are latitudes and which are the three important heat zones of the earth. Today's our topic is about longitudes. Today we will study about longitudes. Okay, so what is longitude? The angular distance between the prime meridian and any place east or west of it is called longitude. In simple way, ma'am will tell what is longitude. Longitude is the vertical lines. So we studied about latitudes. Ma'am told you about latitudes. Latitudes are the horizontal lines drawn on globe. Imaginary horizontal lines drawn on globe is called latitude. That ma'am taught you. Now we will study what is longitude. Longitudes are the vertical imaginary lines. Okay, vertical imaginary lines drawn on globe is called longitude. So how ma'am is drawing vertical lines? No. So these vertical lines you can see, these vertical lines will connect from North Pole to South Pole. You can see how it is connecting. So this imaginary vertical line that drawn on globe is known as longitude. Okay, so this longitude will connect from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, if ma'am is drawing like this, longitude is drawing like this, is it correct? Is it longitude? No, longitude will connect from North Pole to South Pole. It will connect from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, so this is called longitudes. I think you got. Okay, longitudes are also known as meridians of longitude. Longitudes are also known as meridians of longitude. Meridians of longitudes. Meridians of longitudes. Meridians of longitude. So longitudes are also known as meridians of longitude. Longitudes also measured in degree. Okay, ma'am told you latitudes measured in degree. In the same way, longitudes also measured in degree. Okay, so I told you how latitude is measured in degree. I told you in latitude, 0 degree latitude is known as equator. From 0 degree to northern part there will be 90 degree north and 90 degree south will be there. So this 90 degree and 90 degree together 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree latitudes are there. In the same way, longitude, how longitude is measured? Longitudes also measured in degree. Okay, so you can see children. So ma'am taught you this longitude 23.5 degree north. It is latitude. It is Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degree south. It is Tropic of Capricorn. So each latitude ma'am told you it is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle. So latitude we can based on the degree latitude we can tell this is 23.5 degree, that is Tropic of Cancer, 0 degree equator. Okay, but what is the difference between latitude and longitude? Actually longitude you can see all the longitudes are in same length. Okay, so it is very difficult to determine which is 0 degree longitude, which is like that. Difficulty is there. So for solving this, as per an international agreement, all the countries decided in 1884, all the countries decided 0 degree longitude as the prime meridian. 0 degree longitude as the prime meridian. All the countries, just imagine this is 0 degree. Okay, so all the countries decided 0 degree longitude, it as the prime meridian. Okay, prime meridian, or it is also known as Greenwich line. Prime meridian or Greenwich line. So 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. Prime meridian or Greenwich line. Greenwich line. So which longitude is known as prime meridian? 0 degree longitude. Which longitude is known as Greenwich line? 0 degree longitude. Why 0 degree longitude or prime meridian is known as Greenwich line? Because this line or this longitude is passes through a Royal Astronomical Observatory in Greenwich in London. Okay, Greenwich in London. That is why this longitude is known as Greenwich line. So why 0 degree longitude is known as Greenwich line? Because this longitude is passes through, or this meridian, prime meridian, passes through a Royal Astronomical Observatory in London. Okay, in Greenwich in London. That is why this longitude is known as Greenwich line. Okay, I think you understood. Anyway children, 0 degree longitude. This 0 degree longitude divide Earth into two equal halves. Western hemisphere and Eastern hemisphere. Western hemisphere and Eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. So what ma'am told children? 0 degree longitude or prime meridian divide Earth into two equal halves. Okay, Western hemisphere and Eastern hemisphere. Here ma'am told 0 degree latitude divide Earth into two equal halves. Northern hemisphere and Southern hemisphere. In the same way, 0 degree longitude divide Earth into two equal halves. Okay, Western hemisphere and Eastern hemisphere. I think you got. Okay, so children, Western hemisphere and Eastern hemisphere. Okay, now I think you got an idea about longitude. Now ma'am will teach you more about longitude. Before that, we want to know one more thing. Okay, so ma'am, here ma'am draw important latitude. In this latitude, ma'am is going to draw longitudes also. Okay, so longitude. Here children, this is now look like a globe. Okay, so just look children, this is latitude ma'am told, this is longitude. These latitudes and longitudes are intersecting. Can you see this? Longitudes and latitudes are intersecting. Okay, so this intersecting, what this intersecting is called? Grid. Okay, so what is grid? The latitudes and longitudes are intersecting each other. That is known as grid. Okay, I think you got. Okay, now our topic longitudes and time. Okay, our topic longitudes and time. So you know children, earlier time how we calculated time. The local time is calculated by the shadow. By looking the shadow, we calculated time. For example, we can tell noon time, shortest shadow will be shortest at the time of noon, and it will be longest at the time of sunrise and sunset. In that way, local time is calculated. Okay, when the prime meridian has the sun overhead, all the places along the meridian will experience as midday or noon. When the prime meridian, sun has overhead, okay, in the prime meridian, all the places along this meridian will experience as midday or noon. Now we will look what about the time. Okay, how this time is divided. You know how many hours are there? 24 hours are there. Okay, so a day is divided into 24 hours, that everybody know. So these 24 hours divided into 12 hours before noon and 12 hours after noon. 12 hours before noon and 12 hours after noon. Okay, 12 hours after noon. 12 hours before noon and 12 hours after noon. So okay, so hours before noon, you know hours before noon. What term we will use? AM, before noon. Okay, so before noon we will use AM. Actually it is a Latin term, anti-meridium. So what is the full form of AM? Anti-meridium. Okay, anti-meridium. Okay, so anti-meridium. Okay, so this is AM. AM means anti. In Latin, it means anti-meridian. It is a Latin term, anti-meridium. Okay, it means before noon. It means before noon. Okay, so AM, anti-meridium, Latin term, it means before noon. In the same way, 12 hours will be the afternoon. For afternoon, what term we will use? PM. Okay, PM means Latin post-meridium. Post-meridium in Latin, post-meridium. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Post-noon. Okay, meaning post-noon. So children, I think now you understood how the term AM and PM is used. Okay, so AM means 12 hours before noon, AM, anti-meridium. 12 hours after noon, that is called post-meridium or PM. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Now we are going to study more about longitudes. Time is calculated on the basis of longitude. How time is calculated? Time is calculated on the basis of longitude. Okay, so ma'am told you vertical lines drawn on globe is known as longitude. So time is calculated on the basis of longitude. Okay, now we will look what about what are the degree. Ma'am told longitude also measured in terms of degree. Okay, it also measured in terms of degree. So each longitude, how much degree difference? 15 degree difference. Okay, so each longitude, how much degree difference? 15 degree difference. Okay, in this 15 degree, ma'am told no, this is 15 degree, this is 15 degree, 15 degree. Okay, so each longitude distance is 15 degree. Okay, in this 15 degree, 1 degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that 15 degree will be there, no? Okay, in this 15 degree, 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. 1 degree equal to what? 4 minutes. Okay, so 15 degree, in this 15 degree, 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. So what about 15 degree equal to how many minutes? 15 into 4 we can do. Okay, so it will be 60 minutes. 15 degree into 4 minutes, each 1 degree 4 minutes. So we are multiplying this, we will get 16 minutes. Okay, so what about one longitude? 16 minutes equal to 1 hour. 16 minutes equal to 1 hour. So what about each longitude's difference? Each longitude difference is 60 minutes. 60 minutes or 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, that you know. Okay, so I think you got, children. Once again ma'am will tell you each longitude distance difference is 15 degree. In this 15 degree, 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. So if you are multiplying 15 degree into this 4 minutes, what we will get? 60 minutes. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So each longitude, how much difference is there? 1 hour difference. Like that, 24 longitudes are there. Okay, 24 longitudes are there. This 24 longitudes shows 24 hours. 24 longitudes shows 24 hours. Okay, now ma'am will tell you it in degree. We will look what about the degree. Okay, so ma'am taught you latitude 90 degree north, 90 degrees south. Okay, altogether 180 degree latitudes are there that we studied. In the same way, longitude, children, ma'am told 0 degree longitude. Okay, 0 degree longitude divide earth into 2 equal halves, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Okay, so one side it will be 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Another side 180 degree. Okay, so total 360 degree longitudes are there. Okay, how much degree longitudes are there? 180 degree one portion, another portion 180 degree, total 360 degree longitudes are there. Okay, so I think children you got. Anyway, in these 360 degree longitudes all together we can tell 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. These 360 degree means 24 hours distance. Okay, each longitude 1 hour distance, like that 24 longitudes are there. This 24 longitude shows 24 hours. Okay, I think children you understood anyway, don't be confused. Latitude, what about latitude? 180 degree latitudes are there, 360 degree longitudes are there. Okay, latitude 0 degree latitude is known as equator. 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian or Greenwich line. Okay, then what I told you, 0 degree latitude divide Earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. 0 degree longitude divide Earth into western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Okay, I think children today's topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, ask me. We will meet in the next class.